Hello and welcome to Tax and GST India, your go-to channel for simplifying taxes. Are you a salaried individual trying to figure out your income tax for the upcoming year? Confused about which tax regime to choose, the old one or the new one? It can be tricky, but don't worry, we've got your back. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a fantastic tool that will make your life much easier. It's the Salary Income Tax Calculator, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to calculate your taxes for both the financial year 2024 to 25 and the upcoming 2025 to 26 in just a few minutes. So, let's get started. To access the tool, go to Google and type Smart Study Blog without any spaces. Select the first link, smartstudyblog.com. If you are on a mobile device, look for a menu icon with 3 dashes in the top left corner, select it, and then choose Tool from the menu bar. If you are using a desktop, you will find the tool menu directly on the home page. Under Tax and GST India, you can find this tool. Also, the link to this calculator is in the description below. Once you open it, you'll see this clean and easy-to-use interface. We'll go through it section by section. First up is Section 1, Basic Information. Here, you need to select the financial year. As you can see, you can choose between FY 2024 to 25 and FY 2025 to 26. This is great for advanced planning. Next, select your taxpayer age category. Are you below 60, a senior citizen, or a super senior citizen? The tax slabs are different for each, so it's important to get this right. Then, tell the calculator if you live in a metro city like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, or Chennai. This is important for calculating your house rent allowance, or HRA exemption. Simple, right? Now for the main part. Let's move to Section 2, Annual Salary Components. In this section, you'll enter all the parts of your yearly salary. Remember to enter the annual amounts, not monthly. Start with your basic salary. Then, enter your dearness allowance, or DA, if you receive any. Next is your house rent allowance, HRA, followed by conveyance allowance, medical allowance, and any special allowance you might have. Don't forget to add any bonus or incentive and commission you received during the year. Finally, if there are any other allowances that are taxable, put them in the Other Taxable Allowances box. Once you fill this in, look to the right. The calculator automatically shows your gross annual salary in the summary box. How cool is that? Now for the part that can save you a lot of tax, Section 3, Deductions and Exemptions. A quick note, these deductions are mostly applicable if you choose the old tax regime. The first field is rent paid for HRA. Enter the total annual rent you pay here. Based on this, the calculator will work out your HRA exemption. Next, we have fields for your investments. Enter your annual contribution to employees' EPF, your PPF investment, life insurance premium, the principal amount of your home loan, and any investment in ELSS mutual funds. These all fall under the popular Section 80C. The calculator also has separate fields for other important deductions. You can enter your medical insurance premium under Section 80D, your NPS contribution for the additional 50,000 rupee benefit under Section 80CCD, 1B, and any donations you've made. There are also fields for the interest on your home loan and education loan. If you have any other deductions under Chapter 6A, you can add them in the Other Deductions box. As you enter these details, you'll see the calculation summary on the right side updating in real time. It shows your exemptions and how your taxable income is calculated for both the old and the new regimes. This is the magic of the tool, instant comparison. The final input section is Section 4, Tax Deducted at Source, TDS. Here, you just need to enter the total amount of tax that your employer has already deducted from your salary during the year. And now, for the grand finale. Once all your details are in, scroll down to the Tax Calculation Details section. This is where you get the complete picture. The calculator presents a side-by-side comparison of the old tax regime and the new tax regime. For each regime, you can see your taxable income, the calculated income tax, any rebate you're eligible for, the final tax after rebate, the health and education cess, and finally, the total tax payable. It even subtracts the TDS you've already paid to show you the final net tax payable or, in some cases, the refund you can expect. This is incredibly powerful. You no longer have to guess which regime is better for you. By entering your specific salary and investment details, you can clearly see which option saves you more money. And remember, this tool is updated for FY 2025 to 26 as well, so you can plan your taxes for the next year in advance. So there you have it. A simple, yet powerful salary income tax calculator. We at Tax and GST India believe that understanding your taxes should be easy, and we hope this tool helps you do just that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. And for more such easy-to-understand videos on tax and GST, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Tax and GST India. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. The link to the calculator is in the description. Go ahead and try it out for yourself. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.